In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI influencer with Openart. By the end, you'll have a polished, consistent character you can use across posts, mockups, and campaigns. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Openart site. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work saves as you go. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel of tools. Click Character and World to open the workspace designed specifically for building people and their environments. Then choose Create Character to start fresh. You'll be given two paths. Start from an image or describe your character. To keep things simple and flexible, pick the Build Your Character option. If you ever choose to start from an image later, make sure you own or have permission to use it, especially if it resembles a real person. Next, set the look vibe. This is the overall feel of your influencer. Think relaxed lifestyle, editorial high fashion, sporty, or cinematic. Choose a vibe that aligns with the audience you want to reach. Consistency here helps your character feel recognizable across different scenes. Move on to fashion. Wardrobe instantly communicates personality and niche. Pick styles and silhouettes that match the vibe you chose. Consider a color palette you can repeat later. Repeating colors can strengthen your influencer's visual brand. Keep platform guidelines in mind so outfits remain appropriate for where you'll post. Select gender to define how your character presents. You can always revisit this if you're exploring different personas, but starting with a clear direction makes the next choices easier. Now choose ethnicity. Be thoughtful and respectful. The goal is authentic representation. Avoid leaning on cliches. Let the rest of your design choices and future content build depth and individuality. Choose an age range that fits your brand. This helps Openart tailor facial structure and styling cues. Keep your intended audience and topics in mind so the character's age aligns with your content plans. There's an optional additional description field. Use it to lock in personality traits, settings you like to see them in, such as coffee shops or studios or outdoor scenes, plus camera or lighting cues like soft daylight or dramatic contrast. The clearer your direction, the more consistent your results. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. Openart will produce several variations. Take a moment to compare them for facial consistency, vibe alignment, and pose. Pick the one that best matches your vision, then click Create to finalize. If something feels off, tweak your settings or description and generate again until it clicks. That's it, your AI influencer is ready. Keep refining as you post, and you'll build a distinctive, reliable visual identity over time.